Danve, and today I will be making and designing an anemometer. What is an anemometer? It is a device that is used to measure the speed of wind. So let's get started. So first of all, we're going to be drawing. So let's start with designing on paper. First of all, we're going to need 5 cups. Okay, that's 5 cups. Second of all, we're going to need 2 straws. And next, we're going to need a pencil or a stick. Next, we're going to need a cardboard piece, a thick one, for the base. If you don't have a thick one, you can always use 2 to 3 pieces of cardboard, stack them onto each other, and tape it. It's our cardboard. And then next, the anemometer itself. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cross 2 straws, and then on each straw there's gonna be a cup. Alright, now that we have our design ready, let's get into building it. So first off, we're gonna take our cardboard piece, which is the base, and we're gonna take a screwdriver to kind of just make a little hole. And then we're gonna make a border. We're gonna just tear it, not all the way. Just take these dots and tear in the middle. I'm tear that. Take that. Now I'm gonna take my glue, take the cap off, and I'm just gonna put it around in these borders. Not too much. Now that we've finished applying our glue, let's put this aside. And we're gonna take our stick and we're just gonna put it in like this. And we're gonna just let it dry. Now, let's start working on the cups. First of all, we're gonna need this 1 cup, and this is gonna be the cup that's gonna have all the straws in it, and it's gonna be holding all the other cups. So first, let's make a little hole in it. Alright, and then now let's just make the hole bigger by using our pencil, roll tape, and that's how you make the hole bigger. Now let's put in the straws. Now I've made the holes, let's put in the straws. First I'm going to take my first straw, slide it through, and that's 1. Now the next straw. right under it. Gotta be even. And there you go. So you can see that little cross there. And you got the straws. Now that we have our straws into the cup, let's make holes into our cup. So I'm just gonna put our pencil in it, make it a bit bigger. And I'm gonna do that for all the cups. Now let's make sure our straw passes through these holes. So we're gonna take cup number 1, put the straw inside, take it out, and there you go. So this one passes in. That cup's good. Now let's assemble the anemometer. I'm gonna take this cup. Just gonna slide it in. And that's one. Now that our cups are assembled, let me make sure they're in the right shape. So this is our anemometer, and now we're gonna get our stick and we're just gonna put it through this and let's test it out. I'll take my nail and I'll put it through the straws. Just gonna do that. Let's see if it's come out the other side. See, and yes, we can see it. It's right there. Now that we've glued our stand and it's all dried up, let's attach the cups to it. So I'm gonna take my cups, and there's a hole at the bottom already. I'm just gonna do that. There you go. Now that we have our cups attached to our stand, let's try rotating it. You can see that it's freely rotating. So let's go test it. Now that we've built our anemometer, let's test it out with the wind. So what we're gonna do is find out how many times it spins in 1 minute. But before we get into that, we should know how anemometer works. But it's a device that measures wind speed and creates wind energy. So if you want to make it work, you can go outside, take it someplace windy, and watch its magic happen. But for me, I'm gonna be using a fan today. And so let's get right into it. Okay, so now we're gonna be starting to test. So we're gonna be doing low, medium, and high speeds with my fan. I have a stopwatch right here, and we're gonna see how many times it rotates in 10 seconds. So 10 seconds, low speed, in 3, 2, 1, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now medium speed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now high speed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's it. So I'm gonna write all our results down and let's do this. Now that we've done our experiment, let's see the results. So for low speed, we can see that it rotated 10 times in 10 seconds, which equals to 60 RPM. For medium speed, it rotated 13 times in 10 seconds, which equals 78 RPM. And in high speed, it rotated 14 times in 10 seconds, which is equal to 84 rotations per minute.